Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared mutton keema bun, or it's also called here as mutton keema hot dog. I've heated a wok on medium flame with 2 tablespoons of oil. Oil has heated up well. I've added finely chopped onions. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my blog link and social media handlings. Now once the onions have fried for a minute, I've added finely chopped coriander, finely chopped garlic and ginger, fried it for a minute. Now I'll be adding finely chopped chilies, ginger and garlic paste. I'll fry it further for another minute until the onion turns transparent. Now once the onions have turned transparent, I've added turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder. We'll fry it further for another minute. Now that the masala has fried very well, I'll be adding the mutton keema. Once we add the mutton keema, just break it up and fry it along with the masala for 5 minutes. Eventually the mutton keema will release a lot of moisture. So once your mutton keema has fried, add salt as per taste and just stir it. Place it on medium flame. Add 1/4 cup of water. Cover your mutton keema and cook it on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Once your mutton keema has cooked well, just open the lid. Add garam masala and pepper powder. Mix it well, cover it and cook it further. I'm just going to allow the excess moisture to dry out. So the mutton keema has cooked well. Allow the excess moisture to dry. Stir it once and remove it from flame. Once my keema is ready, I've heated a tawa on medium flame. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is heated well, I've cut the bun into half and I've placed it on the tawa, and I'm going to roast it on both sides for a minute's time. Once the bun is roasted well, I'll remove it and reserve it on a plate. We'll start filling the bun with the keema filling. Now inside the bun, I'm just going to start filling the keema. I'll top it with onion, chilies and cheese, and we'll top it again with some keema. You can microwave this for 2 minutes or you can serve it as it is, just for the cheese to melt. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with detailed measurements, will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've posted a detailed recipe. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video. Now my mutton keema hot dog or the mutton keema bun burger is ready. I'm going to be serving this with some ketchup. It was superb. Do try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.